Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of accessing my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Thank you guys. Please stay safe and stay safe wherever you are. And I want to say a big thank you to all my whole subscribers and my new subscribers. I want to say a very big thank you to you guys. You guys are so amazing to my channel. And I want to say a big thank you to all my membership. May the Lord Almighty continue to bless you all for joining my membership. Thank you very much. Guys, I want to talk about women and men. You know, my topic for today, now we women, they make our husband, they go out. Like I said for my other video, say it gets some time, many of us, like some of us, they get this problem, which maybe if somebody not talk and come out, we no go know say this thing na problem for our life. You know, like as I said for my video before, see the thing why they pass you before until when I go find the solution. If you no go find the solution or you not hear the thing how, you no go get solution until when somebody come out to talk, say see wetin dey happen. You understand? Like I said on my other video, say if you be woman wey be say your body, if your husband touch you, your body dey die like wood. You know they get infected, you know they get that feelings. You need to go see doctor because now a very big problem. And if you be that person, you dey take and they drive your husband out. Yeah, that is the truth. You dey take and they pursue the man out because the man self go even see say every time my wife this thing go dey dry. But if you know say you no fit go see doctor, you fit go pharmacy, go buy like those cream sex, that cream wey dem take dey sex and or oil. You fit use any no be any oil, any oil wey be say e dey good. You fit use am. You know, e go make your body to dey free, to dey flow. Na wetin many men need be that one, make their wife body dey flow. No be say because of one thing your body go tight. When the man go dey do am, e go dey pain the man, e go dey pain you. The next thing the man go get injury, you sef go get, because why? The body too tight. Na im make am the thing dey be like that. And I wan still talk about something. You as a woman, when you no keep yourself neat as a woman from your hair to your toe, it's like somehow. No be say when night don reach, you no bath or you no keep yourself fresh, you go use that body take sleep for bed. Man go say make him kiss you. The kind ropoto and joboto gtg wey dey come out for inside there, or wey go goose comot for your mouth, e go make the man self tire. The man self go run. The man self no go even wan like to make himself there. He no go even talk am. Even if na some go talk am, he go tell you say wetin you never bath today, wetin dey happen? Because why? E get some kind odor when he hear wey make am dey ask you that kind of thing. So as a woman, before you go bed, even though say you be person wey dey take your bath or your shower once in a day, before you go bed, abeg make sure say that place dey fresh. Make sure say you keep am neat. Your teeth go dey neat, your own body, everything. In fact, make yourself make e dey fresh, so that when you enter bed, the perfume, the odor, the scent wey go dey your body go dey motivate the man to dey near you. You understand? So now they make am wey be say sometimes when we women, we dey that sisi, we dey look for husband, we go do anything by anything to make sure say we get the husband. But when we don't get am finish, wetin go happen? We go keep ourselves unkept. Why? I dey ask that question. Why we dey always dey keep ourselves unkept? Or sometimes maybe your husband fit tell you say, no be wetin I want to, as this thing I want you to be dressing sexy. You know, to dress sexy is very very important. When your husband tell you, e mean say na wetin your husband want be that. E mean say na wetin he need. E mean say na wetin dey attract am for you to dey near you all the time. So why you no fit keep to all those things? You understand? I made mention before for my video, my other video, say so women dey, if they just do finish, they go tie wrapper, or they go tie the wrapper past their neck, begin dey do wetin they do. Man no dey appreciate that one. This one na generation word now we dey so. We need to dey neat ourselves. Wetin be say, just look yourself, stand for mirror one day, look yourself, say wetin I no get wey my husband dey run dey come out, dey go achieve. I know say some men they are born of that polygamy, their nature na to cheat. Yes, that be their own. Their nature na to cheat all the time. They need to cheat. Even though as a woman you satisfy them, you do everything you want to do, if they want still go hard, they go go hard. That one are normal. Everybody still know that one. You understand? But you as a woman, you need to dey try yourself. You need to dey keep yourself neat. You know, brush yourself. Like me, once in a year I dey go see my doctor to wash my mouth. No be say I no get other this thing to wash my mouth. I tell somebody, say when somebody come me one day, I tell am say I dey doctor, I wan wash my mouth. The person say never hear that kind of thing before. Now her first time when she dey hear am, I say really? And you know, that kind of thing surprise me. You know, sometimes we women, when we sleep in the afternoon, like in the morning, we just only brush, only that one that we know. When we in the afternoon, we sleep afternoon sleep, we wake up, we just carry our bag, we say we want come on. No, you need to, there's many things. That thing where they take the shake mouth, you need to open now. You need to go buy that way they shake mouth. Open now, take shake your mouth before you go anywhere. There's spray for mouth. You need to buy the spray. Make sure say they do your bag all the time. Or all those chewing gum sweets where you get metal, they put that for your bag in case, because this mouth, this spit, when you I don't know about your life. For me, if I close my mouth 30 minutes, I open them, I don't hear odor. So me, my bag, chewing gum and sweets, they finish for my bag. The day we go finish, you know, say I don't remember I go pharmacy and I go feel guilty for myself. Or you use water, they be smart all the time. It's very, very important, because this spit for mouth, they change. When you open your mouth, you talk to person, oh God, person go say, may you come. You understand? So that make we need to neat ourselves every time. We women, we need to keep ourselves. So women up till now, they don't know how to keep under of their body clean. They don't know how to keep them clean. That is just the truth. So women, yes, we get some women wey be say they don't know how to keep under their body clean. Their day, sometimes they don't feel bad for a day. They no go bath for a day, they no go neat that place. Before they go sleep, they no go even neat am. They will take that body sleep with man. Man go open am. The thing, the kind koloba and sholoba wey go hammer, the thing itself go even make the man dey run. So why you go feel say man go feel sleep with you like that? It's not possible. You understand? Same thing goes to men. It like some men self, they no sabi keep themselves neat. If some men talk here, or like me, if you be man, you not brush, you not do this one, you can't carry that mouth. You say you want that. I don't dey in the mood already. You can't carry that mouth. You can't say you won't come, or you don't do finish. I don't hear order. The moods go come down, because the order where I hear not gonna make me go again. So now so it be. No, I know they talk to only women, even with men too. Some men see the way because they don't know how to take care of their body. Some day we get many men, you get some men where I don't see. When we say even to brush self na problem. If they even brush self, they don't go do away. If they even wake up in the morning self, to even brush na problem. If they even sleep, wake up in the afternoon, to brush or to use that something to shake man, na problem. In the night, to the same thing. Why some? If you be woman, say you get that kind of husband for body, try to make sure say your husband they put to your tent. Some men know they listen, now so it be. But you as a woman, now you go put your husband to your direction. Now you go put down to what you want. Now you go put down for your test, what you want. Now you go tell and say see what you want here. Even though say no, but make sure say it needs, it dey fresh before it comes sleep with you for bed. Because if not so, when you yourself as a woman, you get that kind of odor, you get as it be. Why some men dey to even shave, to even know how to shave, they not sabi. That place go be like George Bush. You understand? It go be like Bush where they carry Bush put join am. So as a woman, if you feel they put your husband through that thing, tell her make they shave under and make they shave her. Use better deodorant, because some man they don't know how to use deodorant. They don't know how to use all this perfume. They no sabi because they no get am. But you as a woman, when you don't see say that kind of position, the so your husband be or the man dey, you go put am through. Even though say the man don't want go buy am, you go supermarket buy am for am, put am. Anytime we take bath, they watch am, tell am you no go use that deodorant, let am make spray and put, make everywhere the scent. You understand? Before the man go even fit dey use am, the thing go dey flow well. I know some guys wey be say they no sabi use that deodorant, they go get armpit odor, mouth odor, everything go combine together. You know when armpit odor and mouth odor combine together, you know as the I no wan talk am finish, you know as e dey be. You understand? You yourself, when you go hear am sef, you go run. Only armpit odor sef, when you go hear am sef, you know the thing go dey slap like it. The same thing goes to women too. You understand? Some women up till now, they don't still know how to shave their under and their armpit. They don't know. So you as a woman, you need to dey keep your armpit and your under neat. You understand? I won't even talk this thing sef, because this thing be don dey escape me before. You know, we women, you know say when we just bath finish, no, you go ease yourself, you go pee for bedroom, you pee, give yourself like 30 minutes, keep am 30 minutes. When you keep yourself like 30 minutes, take your hand touch that place, put am for your nose, make you see as the thing go dey. I don't know how the thing won't be like e go dey, e get the kind this way go dey come am. You understand? That make when you go pee as a woman, e get wetin you go use. They call am this baby wiper. That this way they wipe baby bonbon. You know, you fit go buy that thing anytime you go pee. When you use tissue, you use that one to wipe yourself up, or you use water. Like some people will not like to use water, you fit still use that one, so that before you sleep for night, you go freshen up yourself again. You understand? So that one dey very, very important. E dey very, very important. Why some women they fit wear brazier and pint for 24 hours. Wetin happened? Wetin? You dey sell fabrica pint, or you dey inside company wey be say that they sell pint? You get inside company wey they say that they sell brazier? They go wear brazier from 24 hours, from morning till night. They go take and sleep. Wetin happen? You want dry that place? That place you want finish am with odor? Wetin? Open that place for night when you want sleep, free am, make it free. You go tikba that place. So vex beyen pani, you want lock and die? No, you need to open that place so that you go see dey neat, you go see dey fresh. When you sleep for night, hair go enter. If breeze no enter, how you want take dey fresh? You go wear brazier for morning, you go wear pint for morning, you go wear brazier for afternoon, you go wear pint for afternoon. You want to sleep for night again, you go wear brazier, you go wear pint. Wetin happen? May you let breeze enter there for night when you dey sleep. You understand? Because na the truth I dey talk mostly, because that is just some women habit. Now wetin some women dey do be that. They want sleep, they go wear pint. Wetin happen? Who wan rape you? Nobody. You understand? So please, if you are watching this video, I do say all the time on my video, I know they talk to only people out there. I'm still talking to myself too, because me myself I dey learn in many ways. I dey learn. So no problem say because say I can't come and can't talk, and now women go feel saying this one. No, I still dey learn on my own too. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching this amazing video. I so much love you all. Thank you. One love. See you next on my next video. Bye.